Welcome to my channel. Netgear AC750 Wi-Fi range extender setup. Plug your Netgear AC750 Wi-Fi extender into a wall socket. Open an internet browser and enter my Wi-Fi ext in the address bar. New extender setup page displays. Select the Wi-Fi range extender button and click on Continue. Now, enter the network password or passphrase and click on Next. Connect your Wi-Fi enabled devices to your Netgear AC750 EX3700 range extender and click on Continue. Complete the registration fields and at last, click on Finish to complete the Netgear AC750 EX3700 extender setup process. Now, unplug your Netgear wireless range extender and move it to a new location that is near to your existing Wi-Fi router. Netgear AC750 setup. Enable FastLane technology. Step 1. Load up a web browser on a desktop or laptop. Step 2. Type mywifi.ext.net in its address bar. Step 3. Enter default login credentials and click on the Login button. Step 4. Click on the FastLane Technology radio button. Step 5. Now, you will get two options: device to extender in 5 GHz only and extender to router in 2.4 GHz only, and device to extender in 2.4 GHz only and extender to router in 5 GHz only. Step 6. Click on the Apply button to save the settings. Thanks for watching.